Welcome to Dixie Quilters. I've got some haul. I made a haul. Oh boy, I just got carried away and ordered a few things this month. And one of them is it's from Keepsake Quilting. You know, I get quite a few things there. How about you? Have you tried that website yet? Keepsake Quilting? And I was looking for some more fabrics so I can complete my Christmas figs. And Christmas figs from Joanna Figueroa I'm using the Marketplace fabrics. Oh, let's see, I'll show you. Here's some of them. Marketplace by, well, I'll have to put a sign in there that says what they are. Huh? Okay, I will. And so that's the fabrics I needed more of in order to complete the quilt. I guess I just didn't have enough to start with. And I've still got 5 more blocks to go, plus borders and such. So I ordered 3 more yards, and these are the ones that I got. And that's gorgeous. I just love this print. This is Riley Blake, A Market Street by Heather Peterson of Anka's Treasures, of course. Those gorgeous colors. Isn't that gorgeous? And then here's the green. And I always need a lot more green because a lot of these blocks are really predominantly green ones. Isn't that pretty? And then I went, this is a little bit off the beaten path. I hadn't used this color yet, but we'll use it because there was not that many Marketplace fabrics available. But this is a berry. And I think it'll go really nicely because there's a lot of berry in the original prints that I'm using. And you can see this is that same fabric that is there. So I was able to find 3 more yards of what I needed to finish the job. I tell you, I was lucky on that. And then secondly, I got another package today. And guess what's in here? Well, I think we all know what's in there. Something long and thin. And let's open it up with my craft scissors. Which one is marked craft? These are. Okay. I got this from Rebs Stash. She has the best bargains. I love her Fat Quarter Frenzy that she does on YouTube. Creative Crits. Isn't that a beauty? Woohoo! I'm happy with it. Because both of my big rulers have been getting chipped on the edges and stuff. I've had them for a long time, you know. And then this one that I was using doesn't even have all of these hash marks in here that I need. So I'm very happy about this, Creative Grits. She says, thank you, Marlene. Christy. Wonderful, thank you. And I got a good discount. I used the discount, well, I can't tell you the code, but she changes it all the time. But if you go on the live sales, then sometimes you get free shipping. Anyway, so that's my haul for today. And I hope you have a wonderful day. And let's get some stuff quilted up. Alrighty then. Nice to talk with you. Bye.